Morning, I am Shreya Kumari.
I am Yogendra Swarnakar.
I am Gaurav Yadav,
I am Akriti Patel. I am Siddhi Yadav.
and we are the students of Delhi World Public School, Raigad.
Our project Smart Dustbin for Effective Waste Management, guided by Vikas. In modern times, one of the most significant challenges faced by cities across the world is waste management. With growing population, urbanization, and industrial development, waste produced every day has increased drastically. In modern times, one of the most significant problems faced by cities across the world is waste management. With growing population, urbanization, and industrial development, the waste produced every day has increased drastically. Improper disposal and delayed collection of garbage can lead to overflowing bins, foul odor, and spread of the disease. To tackle this issue, technology innovations can play a very important role. And the smart dustbin is one such that of an innovation that combines sensors, microcontrollers, and automated systems that alert concerned authorities when the bin is full, ensuring hygiene in public and private places. The objective of this project is to reduce manpower and the time spent on monitoring garbage bins, to use and promote technology through waste management, and to make sure hygiene and cleanliness is provided.
The working principle of the smart dustbin is based on the IR or ultrasonic sensor, which is located on the top of the bin, which can measure the distance between the wastage and the top of the bin. If the wastage level increases, the distance between them got decreases. There are three LEDs for this to indicate the wastage level. First, green LED means the bin is fully empty. Yellow LED means the bin is halfly full. And the third, red LED means it is completely full. Thank you.
Used are IR sensor, microcontroller, LED indicators, power supply, wireless module, and dustbin body.
Some advantages of this model are prevent overflow of garbage bins, reduce manual monitoring by workers, reduce health hazards, promote environmental awareness and responsibility, and can be easily installed.
Applications where smart dustbins can be used: housing colonies and apartments, schools, college and hospital, office, mall and market, park, railway station and bus stop, smart cities and community center. For future improvement, automatic lead. The dustbin lid can automatically be opened when someone comes near it. Solar power. It uses sunlight, which saves electricity and better for environment. IoT connection. Many smart dustbins can be linked to one system to check their real-time status. Waste separation. Extra sensor can help divide wet and dry waste automatically. Smart data use. The dustbin can collect information about waste to help improve cleaning schedules and routes. Thank you.
In the last, we can say that it is very useful for our environment to become our environment cleaner and greener.
Thank you. Hope our project is useful for the municipal corporation.